Welcome to day one of Indonesian vocabulary test, your daily journey to learning 15 new Indonesian vocabulary.
What does the word makan mean? What does the word minum mean? What does the word buku mean? What does the word sekolah mean? What does the word temen mean? What does the word rumah mean? What does the word guru mean? What does the word mobile mean? What does the word air mean? What does the word buah mean? What does the word cantik mean? What does the word besar mean? What does the word anak mean? What does the word pagi mean? What does the word terima kasih mean? Tell me in the comment how many words you got correct, and don't forget to subscribe and like. I will see you in the day 2